Here's Ella and Lila on May the 14th, 2011. Lila's 11 months old and Ella is 5 already. My goodness, you're such a big girl. And they're playing with the turtle. Yeah.
Ella's 5 years old and we have baby Lila who's 11 days old.
Aiden, come over and get in the movie so I can see you too.
No, I'll be in the second movie.
Okay, but get off the horse, honey, because that's too small for you.
Yeah.
Honey, get off, please. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Yeah, it's just for babies, that's all.
And look. And you have to say baby Lila and Ella switch toys.
Okay, baby Ella and Lila switch toys. Woo. New ball. Are you having fun with Ella? Yeah.